except I'm in the garage. No cooking right now. I'm going out to my car. I'm gonna show you how I can save a little money. Hope this camera does good out in the daylight. I've got a 2020 Kia Sorento. It has like 45,000 miles on it. We don't drive it a lot. I change the air filter once a year. It's coming up for service this coming Saturday. The dealer is about $80 for the filter and the labor. I ordered a new filter through Amazon. It was $11 or $12. So I'm gonna show you how I change this. Maybe this thing save you some money. Most cars are pretty easy to do. So you just open that up. There's no screws or no locks or anything. Comes out, you can see it's pretty clean, but I'm gonna change it anyway. It'll only go back in one way. It has a seal around the outside edge here. And so you just slide it back in there. There you go, $80 savings. So it's just that easy. I mean, $10 or $12 for your filter. All cars are a little bit different in the cost of the filters, but they're not expensive anyway. And most modern cars, they're easy to change. So, you know, save you 50 bucks and just less than a minute, do it yourself. Now there is one in the glove compartment. It's a cabin air filter. I've already changed it. I didn't do a video on it. They wanted $100. It's literally open your glove compartment. It's got a little tab and you push on it. Everything's plastic and it just folds down and you can reach out and pull it out. And it's a little bitty thing. Put it back in, it's done with. It's about the same amount of time. So save you some money if you can. And the old dude's out here in the garage with you this morning. No cooking. Hopefully it saves a little money. And this sure ain't no big deal. I've worked on cars all my life. From tractors to drag boats to race cars, you name it. I enjoy getting my hands a little bit dirty and a little greasy, even now.